Before coming, we should be welcome. It is a wonderful moment. I should not go by speaking. This is being welcome now. And I think he is so much happy because he is going to get certificate and prize. And really this moment, which can never ever be forgotten. Because you all know that if you want to shine like a sun, or sun like a sun, surely he must have worked hard like this. That's why he is going to get this respect, certificate and prize. भैया से फिर से वेलकम किया जाए मिस्टर दिनेश राजभर सर का वंडरफुल प्लीज सर बैठें
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
मिस्टर दिनेश राजभर आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया कि आप चौथे नंबर पर आए लेकिन चलिए होल्ड डाउन 7 टाइम्स एंड गेट अप 8 टाइम्स कि 7 मरतबा गिरिए 8 मरतबा उठिए जीवन में आपके एक होना चाहिए कि नेवर गिव अप का लाइन ओरिजिन होना चाहिए आपके लिए क्या होना चाहिए नेवर गिव अप आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी कठिनाई आती है यू हैव टू फेस इट एंड यू हैव टू विन इट यू हैव टू विनर इन योर लाइफ. So Mr. Dinesh Rajbhar, I would like to know that what do you feel now? Because अगर थोड़ी मेहनत और कर लिए होते, you could get some wonderful things. But no matter, if you fall down once, it is no matter. But if you try in your future, you are going to get, you are going to do wonderful in your life. So let's ask something, Mr. Dinesh Rajbhar. What do you have to say? Namaste and very good evening to all of you. My name is Dinesh and I belong to Jamdi. I am learning and speaking from Global Spoken English. First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. And I am also thankful to Global's teachers who taught me very well and who capable for speaking English in front of you. And today I'm not only happy, I'm feeling like I'm a top of the world. And I can't express my happiness, what I feel this time. And I can't express my happiness in words. And thank you so much and have a nice day.